की वजह से, और चूंकि यहाँ पे हमारे साथ हाज़रीन में कुछ ऐसे लोग भी जो हैं जो उर्दू नहीं जानते, तो उनके साथ इंसाफ करते हुए मैं ज़्यादातर बातें इंग्लिश में करूँगा। उलमा कराम की इजाज़त से, First and foremost, I would like to share with you some context of the background to this evening. Alhamdulillah, I have had a rapport with the chairperson of Al Habib Welfare Foundations since very soon after his arrival in Sheffield many years ago. Also, I have personal awareness as well as experience of his dedication and perseverance for the noble objectives of the foundation, which he heads. On many occasions, he has kindly involved me, like many others like Shakil Bhai, in good deeds to work alongside towards achieving the objectives of the foundation. He has worked according to certain principles and has given the feedback to the people who have been contributing to the work of the foundation. And I will quote you two examples. This is the data of a child which my sister-in-law sponsored in last Ramadan, and this was handed over to me because my sister-in-law passed away about 6 weeks ago. And this is an example of the work which he has been doing in Kashmir, and I will encourage everybody to read this as well, please. Now, this is as far as the host of this evening goes, which is Al Habib Welfare Foundation. On the other side of the equation, this evening, about our honorable special guest, Junaid Jamshed. I had the pleasure to first meet him in the mid-90s in the National Exhibition Center in Birmingham, when he was under the umbrella of Vital Science. But in spite of this status and fame, he was not content within himself. Why? Because, as it turned out, whilst the friends were looking up to Vital Science, perhaps Junaid was not at peace with the situation and was himself looking for the meaningful vital science and guidance as to the purpose of being in this world, the straight path, and the next, that is the hereafter, and what one needs to do in this world to be inshallah successful in the hereafter. Soon after Junaid's life, alhamdulillah, turned a significant corner. Or most would say, Allah enabled him to make a U-turn. Since then, one of the main objectives in Junaid's life, as I see, is that we also make a turn, and inshallah we turn to the chosen path. About 8 years ago, I had an opportunity to speak to Junaid while she was with some family friends in Leeds.